What types of cement clinker grinding equipment are available? 2. The heart of any grinding circuit is the main mill. For cement clinker processing, several proven technologies form the industry's backbone. Vertical roller mills (VRMs), such as our LM vertical grinding mill, have become the industry standard for new installations and major upgrades. Their principle is elegant and efficient. Material is fed onto a rotating grinding table and crushed under pressure by hydraulically loaded rollers. The key advantages are profound. They offer significantly lower energy consumption, often 30–50 less than traditional ball mills. Their compact, integrated design reduces the plant footprint by about 50%, and their high degree of automation allows for stable, 24/7 operation with minimal manual intervention. Furthermore, operating under negative pressure ensures an environmentally friendly process with minimal dust emission. For operations requiring exceptional fineness or processing of blended cements with supplementary materials, our LUM ultrafine vertical grinding mill is the pinnacle of technology, integrating advanced German powder separating and Taiwanese roller technology. It achieves fineness up to 2500 mesh. It is particularly effective for ensuring the high purity and whiteness of finished products, making it ideal for specialty cements and mineral additives. Trapezium grinding mills represent another highly efficient and versatile category. Our MTW European Trapezium Mill and MTM European Trapezium Mill are workhorses for producing fine powder in the 80400 mesh range. A standout feature is their modular impeller adjustment system, which allows quick changes to product fineness without stopping the mill. They boast an induced air efficiency of up to 85%. Ensuring effective material circulation and classification. With a self-contained production system from feed to finished powder, they require less investment in auxiliary equipment and foundation work, offering a compelling balance of performance and cost.